Hello everyone, today I'm back with another episode of Vietnamese Udon Noodle Soup. The soup is made from pork picnic. If you are interested to see how I made it, please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you follow my channel, recently I made butterfly based flour udon noodles and I kept in the freezer. You can see in my bags there, I just took from the freezer and they are ready for the soup. Now let's make the soup first. If you watch my channel recently, you will see how I prepare the pork picnic, how I tie it into a roll and cook in water and onion, ginger, garlic, shallots, horn peppercorn. Then you might come back there and to review. This one I just have it made ready, and the thing I'm doing now is making the garnish. So I have one carrot and I peel the skin and I use carving tools to make some incision. I just need to make flowers from this carrot and you see very easily. I just carve it along the side few times and it will make the flower petals. And after I slide down, you can see it looks attractive that way. Very little effort and make a big impact. If you don't have the carving tool, so you can use the knife I'm showing you right now. You go to the side and make a V, a shallow V. You go like that 3 times and you also have flowers. You can see you slide them and they become flowers for your garnish. So after I'm done this, I will put all of them into my soup and cook for a few minutes. It's all up to you. If you like your carrots tender, you can keep it cook for 5-10 minutes for 10 minutes. But I like my carrots a little crunchy, so I cook in 5 minutes. And you can see I just drop my udon noodles into the soup together with the white parts of green onion, and I drop in my carrots flour as well. One more tip to make this soup sweeter and more flavorful, I will reveal to you what ingredients I'm using. You will be surprised. I think we don't use these ingredients enough. can you see in my pot now? And can you guess? This is parsnip. They just look like carrots, only white color, but they are totally different than carrot. Carrot is crunchy, parsnip is tender. People use parsnip for their mash and their soup. But if you combine parsnip in the pork soup, it's so wonderful. It's so sweet that I was stunned. I know I used parsnip before. I used in the soup, and I use in the salad, I use in stir fry. But today I combine parsnip with pork picnic. Wow, the result is amazing. I'm stunned. I'm not easy to be stunned, but I love it so much. It's so sweet. It brings out the flavors, the sweetness of the pork. They incorporated and make wonderful soup. So that my soup, after I season with salt and pepper and a little fish sauce, that's all I do. And now I scoop out the udon noodles. You can see in my bowl there. And I slicing green onion for the final garnish. You can see it takes very little effort, and you have a meal. It's good for breakfast. We normally eat udon noodles for breakfast, but this is a meal by itself. You can eat it at lunch, breakfast, of course, and dinner. If you give me a bowl like this, I'm will be thrilled. And that's it. I don't need anything else. Remember, I already sliced my pork picnic after it cooked. And if you watch my other video, I display it on the place beautifully. So now, in order to make it special, I use the pork slices to make it into a roast. It's very easy to do that. You just take slices and arrange them unevenly so that they resemble a roast. You can see I go around with my slices, and like I said, you place this piece right here, and the next piece you need to make a uneven spacing. My slices are a little big, so they are a little difficult to stay put. If you want it easier to arrange, You can slice your pork into thin slices. But I'm okay with this, and you can see it resembles a rose. That on the purpose. We don't need to label ourselves to that. That's just like that. And when it don't stay together, you can use a chopstick. I took out some, not chopstick, toothpick. I took out some toothpicks, and now I staple them into so that they stay together and they don't fall flat. That's it. And we will lay it on the soup over with a sprinkle of green onion, and I have a little bowl of fish sauce and chili ready, and that's it. We will enjoy. I keep doing this and you watching until I'm done and we can taste them. I like to take opportunity to say thank you for stopping by watching my videos. It means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. I have passion for food and I like to share everything I know with you. So please like, share my videos and subscribe to my channel. That is your reward to me, your encouragement for me to make more video and upload more tips and tricks and talking with you on my channel. I truly like to say thank you to you. So you can see now it looks very attractive, and the soup is already cooked and done, and now we can lay down the soup over the bowl. So I make a last skimming. We love the clearness of the soup. If you have ever eaten consommé, my soup is same kind of consommé. It's very clear and flavorful. You know, if you don't want to eat the noodles, you don't want to eat the meat, you can just drink the broth. It's so nutritious and warm you up from inside out. So let's taste together. Thank you for watching. I will be seeing you on the next video. Bye bye.